nilagang isda or fish soup. First, boil the gabisol or tumon, tapos may sibuyas at luya. Add magic sarap, half only, okay? Add your fish. Oh, done. Oh, there you go. Add 2 Knorr cubes. It's fish. Add pepper. Repolyo or cabbage. It is cooked.